Hi everyone, welcome to Business Education and Research. This video presents the concept of just-in-time JIT inventory management system, its merits and the challenges in practicing the just-in-time inventory management system. Just-in-time, which is known as JIT, it is basically an inventory management method. Under the just-in-time inventory management system, the manufacturing companies receive the components and materials from suppliers as and when they require for production. JIT system basically avoid the practice of stocking materials in advance for production requirements. JIT system starts the procurement and production process only after receiving orders. Therefore, there is no surplus stock of materials or finished goods. This results in minimizing wastage, inventory carrying cost, and working capital requirements. JIT system sources materials when it is required in the production process. Therefore, purchasing materials well in advance and storing it in the warehouse is minimized. This system facilitates the company to have better control over production process. The company can easily respond to customers' needs by quickly increasing the production of fast-moving products and bringing down the production of slow-moving items. The JIT system requires the suppliers to provide the materials at a minimum time. Therefore, the suppliers ought to be located near the manufacturing companies. This reduces the transportation cost and minimizes the middleman in the supply chain. As the inventory is not stocked in advance, the investment in inventory, carrying cost, and wastage is kept at minimum, and this pulls down the working capital levels and improve the ROI, that is return on investment. Now let us see the challenges of JIT inventory management system. JIT system limits the flexibility over revising customers' orders because it's very difficult after sourcing the specific materials and components from suppliers. The JIT system success depends on how efficiently the vendors supply the materials on time. If there is any delay from the vendor side, then the JIT system will not be feasible to practice. The JIT system required to develop and maintain a few capable and loyal suppliers, and this reduces the chances for the company to select and shuffle suppliers list based on material pricing. Unexpected delay or availability of materials may result in halting production as there is no buffer stock of materials. In case of any problems, a JIT model can majorly impact the business. Since there is no excess stock to fall back on, sales may come to a halt. JIT system is not viable when the infrastructure and logistics facilities are inadequate. The JIT system is more suitable for big companies as they can dictate terms and conditions with vendors. JIT system requires vigorous planning of ordering the correct amount of inventory on time for every production need. JIT system requires efficient coordination between the marketing, purchase and production department.